Alright, so it's currently 5 o'clock and I'm heading to Chapel Hill to run 10 miles. So let's have some fun. So I decided my pre-race meal would be coffee and bacon. Great idea, but before I can find the starting line, I have to find a bathroom. Cheers. Quick update. Found the bathroom. Now time to find the starting line here at the Tar Heel 10 miler. Also, my first run in almost a year, and my first run since running barefoot. Let's go.
We've got less than 2 minutes until the beginning of your race. You're not going to be running in the first quarter of a mile. We did it 3 years ago. And they're off, ladies and gentlemen. The Tar Heel 10 miler is officially underway. If you're the milers, keep those cheers going, Chapel Hill. Keep those cheers going.
Down, 5 to go. There it is, mile 9, 1 to go.
Looking good.
Here's the finish, right there.
For me, the best part is that we had last 10
Did it.
We're going.
Miles. Update. I finished. And the medal is a spinner. Great race, good pace. I stayed around 10-minute mile, which is really good for me for long runs. And like I said earlier, ran my barefoot shoes. Felt great. So I ran the race barefoot, kind of. The hills sucked. There was so many hills. But I did good and kept a great pace. Had fun. Also, check out where I've been relaxing.